guys, let's discuss Fibonacci series today. So how we are going to print a Fibonacci series in Python. Okay, so what exactly is Fibonacci series is? You know guys, the Fibonacci series is just the like this 0 1. What will be the third number? 1. Okay, so what will be the next number again? Sum of these previous two numbers, means 1 plus 1, which is 2. Okay, and then come on guys, what will be the next number? 1 plus 2 equal to 3. What will be the next number again? 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So logic is very simple. The third number is going to be the sum of previous two numbers. Okay, the next number is going to be the sum of the previous two numbers. So it's a very easy logic here is that we will take two variables. First f1 equal to 0, 0, and then this is how the variable is declared in Python. There will be no semicolon after the variable. Okay, f2 equal to 1. F1 means Fibonacci series number 1, Fibonacci series number 2 for f2. Okay, and now after that we will print the Fibonacci. We will it is surprising why we are printing this value before calculating the Fibonacci series, because we will replace here. Let's see, Fibonacci series. Okay, because we have already got the first two numbers, guys, f1 comma f2. Okay, and then end, that n is equal to, we will give a semicolon. Okay, this n, this part will be replaced after we calculate the value. Okay, so let's see, we will let me first let you understand how this will going to work. Okay, this is very simple logic. F3 equal to f1 plus f2. Okay, so how it is working? If I do f1 equal to f3 equal to f1 plus f2, that means f3 is going to be, what is the initial value of f1? 0. Okay, and what is the initial value of f2? 1. So what will be the output? 1. Okay, so if I use these values again means f1 equal to 0 and f2 equal to 1. So it is going to output 1 again, but that is not going to work for me, because if it print 1 always, then it is not going to work for me. What is the concept? 0 1 1, and then what will happen? 2. So if we use only this logic, then it is not going to work. So for that, what we have to do, we have to just swap the value. How to swap? f1 equal to f2. Okay, and f2 equal to f3. What is very simple logic? f1 equal to f2. So in that case, f1 equal to f2, what is the value of f2 currently? 1. So it will become 1. Okay, and what is the value of f2 currently? That is f3. What is the value of f3? f3 is equal to 1. Already we got. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So it will become 2. So how it will become 3 again? 1 plus 2. Why not? Let's see. f3 equal to. So what is the value of f1 currently? F1's currently value is f2. What is the current value of f2? f2's current value is 1. Okay, and what is the current value of sorry, f1's current value is 1, and the current value of f2 is 2. So this will go on like this. This is kind of recursion. It is going to go on. So 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So again this will be moving like this. Again the f1 value will be 2. Okay, this 2, and f3 value will be 3. Okay, so this is how this is going to work. Okay, so let's introduce the final print here. Okay, so for that, what will you do? Just write print. Just write print. Don't worry about anything. And what is the final print value? f3. Definitely f3. f3 is the sum of the previous two numbers. And then end. Okay, and end, and after that, just put a space here. Okay, so you are done. I have there are some errors, but I have kept the errors so that you can understand how to debug the errors. Okay, so ek dit se do nisana kind of thing, so you will learn that part also. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, so 0 1 1. Okay, this is what the output you are getting. Okay, but we have to introduce one more thing here. So what is the one more thing? That is the for loop. So for, if we introduce for here, for So range, I think for I in, probably I in range. Okay, and let's run it. Okay, so this is what I am I try to show you. I am trying to show you that let's fix the errors also. So we will first give here a colon. Okay, and then run it again. Okay, it's showing indentation error. So you will learn a new thing here, how to fix the indentation. Just give a one tab here. Just give a one tab. Okay, and then run it. Guys, your Fibonacci series is ready. Look at this. 1, sum of the previous two numbers. 2, sum of the previous two numbers. 3, sum of this 1 plus 2, 5, sum of 3 plus 2, 8, sum of 5 plus 3, 13, sum of 8 plus 5, 21, sum of 13 plus 8. Okay, 34, sum of previous two number 13 and 21. 55, similarly 21 plus 34, 89, 55. This is how it's working. I show you. If you are not clear, just go back and see the logic behind it. Okay, so what is the logic behind here is to start with 10. We can simply give here 2 comma 10 because we already have this f1 plus f1 comma f2 means 0 comma 1 is already we have. So we will start from where? We will start from after that. Okay, that is why I have given here 2 comma 0. What is mean by having what is mean by having 10? What is the use of the function range? Means it will give all the values starting from 0 up to 9. 0 1 2 like this it will give. If we are giving range 0, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, but if we use here 2 comma this, then it will ignore the first two one. It will start from 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this should be clear now. Okay, let's run it once again and then we are done. So guys, if you have any question, please ask me in the comment section. I will try to answer it if I get a time. And thanks a lot. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And thank you very much for watching this video.